Hi guys, and welcome to another video. This time I'm gonna be taking a look at this Huawei Mate 10 Lite, which is destroyed. I mean, the display is still working, but the touchscreen is affected, and I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. So let's power it up. Okay, I'm gonna be back after it starts. Alright, so as you can see, the display is still working, the touchscreen is still working. There are some pressure points on the screen, and sometimes the touchscreen isn't working properly. And by that I mean that if you press one button, it may press the other or something else. So I'm gonna start taking this apart. Alright guys, so now that the disassembly process is complete, I will order the new display and clean the housing until then. So see you guys when my display arrives. Alright, so I'm happy to announce that this is the first display that I have removed and is still working. So here is the proof that I already removed it. I can just lift it up and it's still working. Alright guys, so the package has arrived. Let's see what I've got. Sorry for the camera. Right, so let's continue opening this box. Alright, so here should be all my parts that I need, and By that I mean that I have ordered a new display and some other parts, but I only care about the display from here. Okay, so this is the only part that I'm interested in. Let's see, it looks fine to me, but I have to test it now. Alright, so it appears to be fully functional. As you can see, I'm quite happy and I think I'm gonna put it together. And I don't know if you can see, but there is a stain on the plastic film, I suppose. I say that because it's also on that sticker there. Let me show you. So there is a blue stain on that sticker also. And that's what makes me think that it's on the plastic foil, not on the phone. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it off again and start reassembling it. Alright, so I have added some double-sided adhesive tape on the frame. And now I'm gonna peel this off, peel the plastic off this and put them together. So I can't quite film that because it's hard for me to have a camera in the way. Hope you guys understand, and I'm gonna show you guys the final product. Alright, so the phone is put back together, and as you can see, everything works. It is fine, it works, I'm happy. If you can look at the seam, it sits perfectly, there is no space. I'm quite happy with that. Okay, so now I'm continuing to assemble back the phone on the other side, the back. So I'm gonna show you guys. I don't think I'm gonna show you guys because it's exactly the opposite of the disassembly. I'm just putting like the speaker back, the back, or the brackets that I have taken apart, and yeah, I'm not gonna show that. Alright, so the phone is almost complete back together. I put the brackets here and here, and before I continue I want to do something with the back cover. So as you can see, it is full of scratches, white dots, and I have this permanent marker, black marker, and I'm gonna put dots on every single one of these so that it will be black in the final. So I'm gonna show you guys the final result. Alright, so this is the best I could do with the cover. I mean, the corners are blacker, I guess. And yeah, that's all I could do. Now what I do still have left to do is connect the sensor, the Touch ID sensor here, put the bracket, and then put everything back together. So I need both hands in order to put these two together. Alright, so the phone is completely put back together. Even the SIM card, everything works. There is one thing left to do, and that is peeling off the protective film. And the repair is complete. Hope you guys enjoy this, and see you next time.